All right, my name's Donny. I am the Blue House framer at the Blue House Yard, and I am in my 5th year now at the Blue House Yard, and it's been great. The business is sort of growing. I'm able to offer my clients more and more. I've built a good clientele here. It's a great community, and it's a great location. I've got real gold at the top there, water gilded samples. That's moon gold and yellow gold, and yeah, lots of different options there. So it's really been great being able to expand this raw wood range. That's really what I'm sort of about. We've got some butt joins there and some spline joinery. It's really like whatever you need. Okay, we can round corners and inside corners and round edges, and there's just lots of customizable options. Well, I've got a basics range as well, so if you want something cheap and cheerful, you can pick off of the basics range, lots of different colours. I've got a choice of Nielsen aluminiums as well, so you can, if you like metal frames, you can come and have a look at the metal frame samples. You can find me 5 days a week, as Wednesday to Sunday, 10 AM to 5 PM at the Blue House Yard. I'm opposite the bus in the green shed. So I'm closed Mondays and Tuesdays. I work through the weekend. Best thing to do is to email or let me know, and I can book you in for a consultation.